sapphire shape. We have taken a trial for that tutorial to show you how you can use the tools. In Photoshop, you can generate any type of image and also customize the generated images designs. You can explore the different features here. We have an older version of 2015. You can use a new version of Photoshop with the good system qualities. So we will try to make it more attractive and useful there. Apply the pattern stamp here to make it another shape. Explore the designs here. I will take a new color on that side. Also choose a blue one